The monitor board is the landing page of your DeLaval Dell Pro Farm Manager software. In this how-to video we will show you what the monitor board can tell you. The monitor board is where you can have a look on how your herd is performing today, and also how the trend of the last period of time is going. It gives you a brief overview every time you check it. When you start Dell Pro Farm Manager, the monitor board will automatically pop up. You can find a shortcut to the monitor board in the icon bar on the top of your Dell Pro Farm Manager, or via the menu Farm where you select Monitor Board. In the middle you see 4 tiles with information. We start with the first one, Daily Production Overview. The numbers besides the graph show you the performance of the last 24 hours. In the graph every dot represents a day, so we have a graphic of the last 7 days. On the right of the Daily Production Overview we can have a look on the Daily Feeding Overview. How much feed is consumed the last 24 hours, is the feed ratio still on track? And how is it compared to the last 7 days? Below the feeding we can have a look on the daily milking statistics. How are the milking cows performing with milkings and incompletes? And the last tile gives us info about the passages of the gates in a guided cow traffic, or the refusals in a free flow system in the daily statistics. On the left hand of the screen we see the mini milking queue, and below the links towards the favorite reports. It gives you an easy overview of your most important information of the day. On the right you have an overview of some KPIs to give you a complete overview of the herd. Below the KPI overview you see the calendar as well. At the bottom of your monitor board you have an overview of the usage of your AMS. Now you know how to use the monitor board in the best way, and how it can contribute to have a quick overview of the performance of your herd.